Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to put in a new piston and a new cylinder sleeve inside of your air compressor that won't fill up anymore. Chances are, if it's not filling up like it was supposed to, or if it's taking forever to fill up, usually what it is you have this rubber seal that actually goes up against this sleeve. And this actually goes down in here and rides inside of that hole. And you have a regular ball bearing, sealed bearing right there that comes out of the motor shaft with a counterweight. This acts just like a sort of like a combustion piston and cylinder design, but all it's used is just compressed air with. On the top part you have your cylinder head. You have your valve plate assembly on this side that helps seal the air in, because the air is drawn in through this, which is your air filter housing. Comes in, the piston compresses the air, and then it blows it, forces it out this hole, goes through the filler pipe. Filler pipe routes around and goes into that brass fitting on top of the tank, and then it goes through the gauges, and that's what fills the tank up. That's where it fills in at. That's the inlet part. So what I'm going to show you here is, first of all, you have a seal kit that comes with these. This comes in a set. You get it from Sears. I believe it's Sears Direct. Their parts center sells all this stuff. It's about $30 for this whole set right here. It's all aluminum. And first you want to stick your seals on top of this housing here. Your gray is going to face up, and then your green is actually going to face down. And then once you have that done, you can actually slide these two together. Now you can't push these directly down, it's very hard. So what you want to do is kind of angle this. I'm going to angle these together, angle it, and it slides in real easy, and then straighten it back out. Just like that. Here on the connecting rod side, they're going to have a lip that this ball bearing is actually going to ride in. So this lip actually has to be facing out like this. It goes in just like this. Here on the bottom you have a bolt and screw hole that, once this is installed, you put in the bolt and screw, and it squeezes this together really tight so it doesn't come out. And what you're going to do is you're going to slide these in as one piece all the way down. And it's going to take a little bit of maneuvering here to get this just right. What you're going to do is you'll kind of angle that piston I was telling you about. You'll angle it at a 45-degree angle inside the sleeve to get it to where it actually pokes out like this. That's going to help you guide this through. And then you're actually going to slide the rod and the bearing on, and you'll have to use a hammer, some light taps to get it through. And this is kind of the tricky part that does. It's very temperamental. Get a 1-pound hammer, slightly tap into it, goes side to side. And it'll slide on like a new glove. Once that's in place, is you'll work down the piston to where the sleeve sits in there flush. And there you have it. Next thing you have to do is put in your new O-rings in the valve plate and slide this back on just like so. Put in your 4 Allen screws and you're good to go. I will put a follow-up video of this operating. Have a great day, guys. Alright, everything's working. That's all there is to it. Just put your cylinder head and your seals on. Start your piston like I showed you in the earlier video. Have a great day, guys.